Hello, it's CreativeSarah here, and we're going to make a bathroom banner. We have these fun banner pieces. We're going to use two colors of chalk paste, Dusky Blue and Storm, and our No Selfies in the Bathroom transfer. Look how cool that is. There's 4 different sayings, and we're going to do it on 4 different banner pieces. But first, we need to wax our surface using the wax applicator. And now that those are waxed, I can cut my transfer with my transfer trimmers. They are a really cool scissors that are coated with a non-stick coating, so they can cut through adhesive. Now, I'm gonna line up and lay down my transfer, but first I have to fuzz it. I wanna make sure that it is not very sticky because of the foam core board that we're using. They're very shiny and it will stick a lot to it. So that's why I waxed, and that's also why I fuzzed. I laid that down on our fuzzing cloth to get some lint on the back. Now I'm going to use both of the chalk colors on each one of my transfers. Transfer is what we call our stencils. These are adhesive sticky back silkscreen stencils. And here we go. We're going to do a little bit of the dusky blue at the bottom, peel that up, and it looks so awesome. Of course, I'm going to wash that transfer off because they are reusable. I'm going to go ahead and do the next 4 or the next 3 designs here. If you're new, go ahead and comment VIP down below. Hey, if you'd like to try this out, comment sample down below. Okay, so I have all 4 of these done. I am going to add a strip of ribbon at the top, just kind of matching it up. I've got little burlap and gray ribbon that I'm just going to kind of hot glue across the top. It's pretty cute. And I'm going to do that with all 4 pieces and my hot glue. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hey, go ahead and comment VIP if you're new. Next, I have some gray jute, which I made extra long. I have 8 feet of jute. I folded it in half, and I'm using double layered jute to go through the actual banner pieces, and I'm adding 2 fun wooden beads in between each banner piece, and on the ends there's a gray bead and then there's a dusky blue bead, so it works and coordinates perfectly with the colors of the chalk paste that are on the actual surfaces. So we're just putting together our banner. As I string this, I'm stringing it through the banner pieces, and then I will tie off the edges. I just put a little bit of tape on there so it'll help me string it through the beads a little bit easier. I'm going to tie off the edges, and we'll make a little loop so that we can hang it on the wall. And there it is. Fun bathroom banner. Super sassy sayings. CreativeSarah.com for more information.